Hey you guys, I am back with another video, and today we are talking all about 5 shower routine mistakes to avoid. So if any of that intrigues your little mind, make sure you stick around, turn on your bell notifications, hit that subscribe button because I don't want you to miss another episode. If you are new here, I am Latersa Denise, and we talk a lot on this channel about hygiene, self-care, and life advice. So if any of that intrigues your little mind, make sure you stick around, engage in the comment sections because I love speaking to you guys in the comments. Listen, we're going to jump right into today's topic, but if you are new here, make sure you hashtag Sunny Squad with 2 sunshines. That lets me know that you are new here and I can give you a proper welcome. So let's jump right into this video. All right, so the first mistake you want to avoid when you have your shower essentials and all that good stuff is using too many products. Sometimes your skin gets to doing some funky things and you don't know the reason why. It could be because you're doing too much. Like sometimes, like y'all know, I love trying new products. It makes me, y'all know by now, every time I get something new, I'm coming straight to the house. Oh, I'm getting in the shower and trying it out. But sometimes your skin can be like on overload, like it's doing too much, like you just using too many products and your skin, you couldn't tell which product is messing your skin up because you're using entirely too much. Sometimes when you find some oldies but goodies and they really work, y'all know I always say when something is working for me, it's going to always be in rotation. And one of my favorite OG products that I will always have in rotation is Dial Antibacterial Soap. Because for me, I know that really gets my base clean. And so I won't be switching up on bar soaps like that. Because I know my skin, for one, will probably start to get irritated. 2, it's probably going to do some funky stuff. Because, you know, when your body is used to something and you detox from it and take it away, oh, it get to acting real funny. It get to having a real bad attitude. And your girl ain't got time for that. So using too many products can be the reason why sometimes your skin get to acting funky. Your skin get to doing some crazy stuff. So you want to just make sure you are using products that works for your body type. Because hear me when I always say this, and I'm going to keep saying this until I'm blue in the face. What works for me may not work for you and vice versa. But you got to know your body enough to know when something's not right. That's why I always tell you guys, check up on yourself. You know, if something's not right, check with your doctor. Don't let that stuff linger. Don't let that stuff go too long because you could be having a breakout or irritation from a product and you using all these tons of products. You don't know where it's coming from. So I always say, get you the ones that work for you and keep rocking with them. It's okay every now and again to try something new, but I'm telling you, the older you get, your body starts going through some changes and it just don't like a lot of stuff. And I'm noticing now for me, my body don't like a lot of strong perfume scented stuff. Like perfume that's real strong. And I've always had that sensitive nose, but perfume that's real loud and strong, my body don't like it. And my nose certainly don't like it. So you got to know you to know which one that works for you. That's why I say using too many products can be a bad thing if you're not checking up on what's working and what's not. Because sometimes it could be the very thing you use in your shower that's causing you irritation, that's causing you some problems. And especially for your butterfly down there. That's why I say, when you find something that works down there, keep doing it. Because I'm telling you, if you start mixing the different stuff down there, your girl down there is not going to like it at all. So that's number 1 mistake to avoid. And then number 2, the second shower routine mistake to avoid is using the wrong products. Just like you could use too many products, you could be using the wrong products. Because I'm telling you guys, y'all know I've been talking about this. My body is going through changes. And where I used to love Dove sensitive soap for my butterfly down there, she ain't working for your girl down there no more. She had me dried out. She had me like itchy. And it was just the most uncomfortable. I don't know about y'all, but y'all know that feeling when you just feel like you so dry down there. And I know this may be a little TMI, but we all grown here. We growing together. Listen, some of these things I'll be sharing with y'all, I wish somebody had told me at a younger age. But listen, when you know better, you can do better. But that the Dove sensitive soap, it have your girl down there like, it's a great thing that I'm healthy. And I know I'm healthy. We just gonna leave it like that. I know I'm healthy because your girl stayed at her doctor's appointments. I stayed getting tested and all that good stuff. But anyway, what I'm saying is I knew something was off because dryness down there, I've never had a problem with being dry down there. I'm always good. But it was like getting to the point where it was just super irritating. Like even when I go use the bathroom to wipe, the tissue would be like, it would feel like the tissue is trying to cut me because that's how dry I was. And as soon as I realized it was the Dove sensitive soap, your girl stopped using it because listen, as you get older, your body changes and you got to be willing to change products with it. So you using the wrong products can be hindering you as well. Just like you could use too many products, you could be using the wrong product and all kind of rashes and stuff start breaking out on you. You get irritated. You just got to know you, honey. And at this age, I ain't letting nothing slip up. If something is off, I'm heading my little self right on in to the doctor. I got some questions. I got some things going on. I need you to check your girl out because I want to fulfill my long life dream of living a whole, full, healthy life. You can see what I'm saying? Like healthy life, you see. So using the wrong products, y'all got to know your body. Your body is talking to you all the time. You just got to listen to it. Listen to your body. I'm telling you, if you listen to your body, it won't steer you wrong. And then the third shower routine mistake to avoid is not changing out your shower products. Sometimes you can keep products too long and they just stop working altogether. You have to start to read your products because they have expiration dates on them. And I remember back in the day when I used to sell Mary Kay, they taught us how to read them little numbers on your products. They have expiration dates. So if you keeping your products past the expiration date, that may be why you having some problems. Because when it expires, you need to throw that little sucker on in the trash and go re-up. Stop trying to keep stuff forever. And I know those expensive products, you'd be like, you want to savor it, you want to make it last, but y'all need to start looking at the expiration dates on them products. Because if the expiration date has passed, you may be doing your body more harm than good. Because when something expires, just like food, when it expired, you don't want to eat it. You don't want to take no chances. I don't care. I remember when you're in college, when your money is looking real, real funny, and the expiration date on the milk be like a day past, and you be smelling it, trying to taste it, see if it's still good. Oh, I don't do that no more. Because it don't sit. Let me just tell you this. Y'all know I got a story for y'all. Y'all know I got a story for y'all. But listen, I love me some milkshakes. Oh, strawberry milkshake just gets your girl right. Just make me happy. It's the little stuff. Oh, honey, but how about your girl can't do a lot of dairy? Because I got me a milkshake. How about your girl was paying a lot of visits to the bathroom the night? I was like, so you mean to tell me I can't have no milkshake no more? Really, God, you gonna take my favorite away from me? Like when I tell you the milkshake went straight through me, like I had bubble guts all night. I was like, are you freaking kidding me? So me, I do the most. Like when I use the bathroom other than pee, I have to take a shower because I just don't really feel all that clean. Even though I do my little whatever, to clean my behind good. It just, to me, I just got to hop right in the shower just to make sure I'm clean because I don't want to go back and lay in my bed and I'm not all that. It's just something about when I do number two. That's why I don't do number two in public unless it's an emergency. I have to come home and do number two and then get in the shower. That makes me feel good. I know they're probably doing the most, but yeah, I can't have no milkshake no more. Cause every time, and I tried one last week, and I was nervous. I didn't get but a couple of swallows. It didn't mess with me. So I gave it to baby girl. But I just wanted a little taste. You know, just a little taste. Y'all let me know if y'all do dairy. Do y'all like that? Because it's like, I'll be like, God, really? Like, I like my stuff. You know, it's the little stuff that be making me happy. But it's like, God trying to take my goodies away from me. So, anyway, that's y'all little story. Y'all know I always got a story for y'all. And then the next one is the shower routine mistake to avoid. Not detoxing your body. After so long, you guys, when you're using the same product, sometimes them products stop working. I know for me, using the same deodorant for years, sometimes the deodorant stops working. It just get immune to your body chemistry and it just be doing the most. Like secret be coming out and everything. You got to know how to detox your body from all those products and stuff you be using. Because if not, like that old caked up deodorant on there, if you're not detoxing or exfoliating, you wondering why you probably still have a smell. It's because you caking new deodorant on top of old deodorant. And that's just the recipe all together for disaster. So new deodorant on top of old deodorant, ain't really going to work out all that great for you. So I would say detox at least twice a month. That's your armpits, you know, your detox bath, everything. Sometimes you just need a fresh start. And I talk a lot about this, you guys, in my old school remedies ebook on how to smell good using old school remedies. But I talk a lot more in detail about that in the ebook. It will be in the description for you guys. But listen, detoxing your body helps you to take out the impurities. And not drinking a lot of water, too. I always say add lemon in it because it helps to purify and detoxes your body. Like get all that stuff out, impurities out of your body. You'd be amazed at what detoxing your body can do. And if you're not doing that, it's probably the reason why you still having an odor, because you're not giving your body time to breathe. Sometimes even just like I always say, when you're getting ready to try any kind of natural deodorant, your body needs to go through a detox first, because otherwise that natural deodorant, it's just going to keep you musty, because natural deodorant is not it's not there like an antidepressant. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. But you got to give your body time to get accustomed to that natural deodorant. Because I'm telling you, be walking around here funky. So I'm telling you what God loves. Y'all know I always tell y'all a story or two. Well, when I first started years ago trying to use natural deodorant. Oh, I was so excited. I was like, I'm going to be putting good stuff on me. And I had this girl that was doing handmade soaps and all kind of handmade deodorants and all that stuff. And I would spend all this money and take a shower. And about 30 minutes to an hour later, I'd be musty. And I'd be sitting here looking like, what in the hell is that smell? Oh, it was your girl. When I tell you my secret was out from here to kingdom come, I was like, what in the heck is going on here? But that natural deodorant will tell off on you before you even get where you going. So listen, detox your bodies, ladies. That's the whole point of the story. And then the next shower routine mistake to avoid is not washing your hair regularly. Your hair is a part of your hygiene too, you know, in case you didn't get that memo. Your hair is a part of your hygiene. So if you tall like me, y'all know I'm 6 feet, right? You know, 2 inches invisible, right? Y'all know that. Y'all already know that. But when somebody go in to hug me, because I'm so tall, they gonna smell my hair first. So I don't need my hair smelling musty and sour and all that good stuff, but my other body is smelling good. You still stinking. So get you a routine for your hair care, because your hair care is just as important as your body care. I mean, your hair care is just, everything on you can set up and have odor. So if you're not properly taking care of what you need to do with your hair, you be walking around and people be doing all this, and it could be you not musty as your body, but your hair is musty, sour. Because y'all know, if you sweat at night, like I do, like most people do, you sweat in your sleep. And because I'm going through that premental, that kind of stuff, it's taking your girl to a whole other level. Sometimes I have them nights where it's like, did Did I pee on myself? Cause this is not feeling right. Like the pillow is wet and you turn it over. You just got to throw everything in the washing machine. So that's why I'm saying, take care of your hair as well, you guys. Keep your hair washed and smell good and all that good stuff, because all of that is still a part of your hygiene. So listen, I know y'all think I may be crazy and all that good stuff, but I want y'all to smell your absolute best. I want you to be the best versions of yourself. Leave me a comment below and let me know some of your tips and tricks that you use to smell good. Let the other sunshines know, because we're all here growing together. I love you guys. Make sure you grab my Smell Good ebook. The link is in the bio. And listen, everything that I share with you guys, I promise you, they work if you work it. I love you guys, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.